there's really no need for me to further test the DJI Mic 2 sound. No matter what I do to the DJI Mic 2 to make it sound optimal for the DJI Osmo Action 4, that's about all I can do. We all could talk how great it is, and how great it sounds, and what you could do to make it sound better, right? So let me tell you my settings of the DJI Mic 2, standalone, that is. Are you ready to write them down so you can be like the fish? Here we go. First, turn mode on of your DJI Osmo Action 4. Second, let the camera warm up while you turn on your DJI Mic 2. Wait for it, and there goes the green bar. You're ready to swipe down. Go to the upper right and tap on the COG. Now you're going to take your finger and bring it up to the 7th one that's called wireless mic. Open it up, and what do you see? You see all the settings to choose from. You have a monitor. Increase it to 100%. What does the monitor do for the fish? Nothing. The first three things are LED light indicator, audio video to sync, and vibration. I don't keep audio to video sync on, but I keep the other two going. All right, the next three. Low cut, it's on. And format, up to you if you do 30-bit float. And I don't do 30-bit float, so that stays off. And last but least, my firmware version. Oh yeah. Update, 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 they say. Now that you know all the settings of the DJI Mic 2, don't I sound great? Now on the receiver side end, which will be for the standalone, the DJI Osmo Action 4. You go over to the 2-3 dashes in the mid right and click it. And you see those two things up there that looks like a sundial cog and something that's grayed out. Just click that. First light one. It just basically swaps back and forth between your color images and your microphone. And when you get to the mic gain, set it up to how you talk to the world. Everyone's voice is different. And what I do is I take the gain control to -2. And you'll be sounding like a pro in no time. The only thing that you can do with the standalone and the DJI Osmo Action 4 is raise and lower the decibels. -2 dB, it's not like an audio sound going all the way down to -12 dB. The octave is not that great at all. It's just a little bit lower. And when you have an error of your favorite choice, you have to figure out your gain of your camera for the microphone for the editor to get to that -12. And I keep mine at -2, may go down to -4 to keep at a -6 and not peak to the -12. Of my editor. So all the other things you can add in and do your editing and all the time the best you can with the negative, with the 32 float and the is how you put your video and audio together. Enjoy your DJI Mic 2 settings of the fish. 32-bit float, Osmo Action 4. I don't hear much of a difference. I'm the king of the editing. Indeed, I got the perfect microphone for my camera that does the best job in the world. Oh.